Our group meeting will be held tomorrow in the library conference room. All staff must be leave from the fire hydrant exit. All writers consciously or unconsciously represent their own cultures. Avoid confusing causes of these changes. Avoid confusing causes of these changes. Career opportunities in this field are quite limited. Catch the camera to see the fish. Competition for the places in course is fierce. Conferences are all scheduled 2 weeks in advance. Conferences ought to be scheduled 2 weeks in advance. Conferences will always be scheduled 2 weeks in advance. Despite protest, the chemistry department was closed down. Experts believe that industry development will help economy. Final year business students have to write a 5,000-word essay on market trends. Free campus tour runs daily during the summer for prospective students. Heavy rain will fully cross the city next week. Interim grades will be posted on the board outside the student lounge. Interim results will be posted on the board outside the student lounge. Interim scores will be posted on the board outside the student lounge. It is important to allocate your time wisely when revising. Most of the theories were similar, but a few critics disagreed. Most theories were quite similar, but a few critics disagree. Our group is going to meet tomorrow in the library conference room. Please remember to bring a highlighter to class next Monday. Please remember to bring a highlighter to class next Monday. Please remember to bring a highlighter to class next Monday. Politics is not usually a safe topic of conversation. Reference of material is held in the hall of library reference desk. Reference of material is held on the library reference desk. Some of the features are part of previous research. Student concession cards need to be obtained by completing application form. Student concession cards need to be obtained by completing application form. Student identification card will be issued by today and tomorrow. Teaching assistants will receive monthly fees for housing. The campus tour runs daily during summers for prospective students. The cause and effect of problem. The coffee house has special student discount through the week. The curriculum is described in the course syllabus. The cause and effect of problem. The first assignment is due on 14th September. The history of movements was recorded by several writers. The issue, both the exploration of the problem. The leading companies changed the policies, procedures, after reports were released. The main concepts in this thesis were not new. The main concepts of these events were not yet fully understood. The most important process of farming is weeding. The problem of research for postgraduate students in funding. The qualification will be assessed with the criterion to approach. The relative humidity is the amount of moisture that the air can hold. The same issue reached the same explanation of the problem. The schedule allows plenty of times for independent study. The schedule allows plenty of times for individual study. The solar energy department is highly regarded worldwide. The time of the maths lecture has been changed to 10:30. The undergraduates need some special sources to analyze a specific program. The university library has most of the necessary books.